ayan. Here is the terrace at the second floor. So, as you can see, there are solar panels at the top. Two solar panels to save electricity. And she have aircon and she have terrace. As you can see, there is tinted glass at the terrace. Ayan. So, there is a sliding door also. So, it's very cool to have a rest at the top or in the second floor. If you wake up in the morning or in afternoon, you drink coffee. And then here is the first floor and the gate, color gold, and it has screen on the door and sliding window. So, meron ding mailbox at the gate. So, if ever there's a mail from postman, he can put the mail inside the mailbox. So, let's go inside, guys. Ayan. So, meron siyang lock. So, ito yung kanyang terrace. May tiles. And here is the window, tinted. Tinted, as you can see, I'm here in the camera. Hello, guys. Ayan. Tadaan. Tadaan. Hello, everyone. Ay, ang tabo. Kita ko yung aking likod. And, ayan, Paragon Village. Ang tawag ito, Paragon Village. And, we open the door. Ayan, when you open the door, you can see a beautiful chandelier with ayan, with clock at the wall. Ayan, at the top, on the ceiling, may clock. So beautiful. Ayan, yung design, may birds. And the other ceiling there. And it has, ayan, a tree, gold tree, yan. With butterflies. So beautiful, guys, oh. And then, narinig kong tumatawa. Here's the curtain. She choose it and buy it online. So beautiful design and beautiful what do you call that, silk. Oh, it's a beautiful design. Yeah, she choose a good type of curtain. Ayan. So meron siya ditong breaker, I think breaker for safety, and lagay ng key, and then umbrella. Ayan, in case there's a rain, and shoe rack. Here's the shoe rack, and here is her sofa in the living room, and there is the table, round table. It's lucky. I said it's lucky. So you can see, ayan, meron kaming chili, hiningi sa neighbor, from neighbor. I will plant it. I will bring home the chili. And, ayan, ayan ang kanyang table. Ayan, table. Picture natin ang sofa. And, yung display niya na ano. And, the ceiling fan. Yan. And the curtain. And, ayan yung stair. Pagpasok nyo dito, ayan, shoes, bigay niya sa akin. Ayan. Thank you for the shoes. And, thank you so much for the shoes. And, ito yung stair. Paakyat dyan sa second floor. And meron siya ditong attic. Ayan. Meron siya dito. Ina-open niya yung lights here. So, ayan. So, nice. Candle. So, doon yung pataas. So, sa kitchen pa pala. Meron siya ditong refrigerator. Hindi ko na i-open. Ayan. From Canada. She have a from Canada because they travel to Canada. Ayan, may calendar, designs. And here is the kitchen. Ayan. Hindi ko na open. I will not open the kitchen, the cabinets. And here's the rice cooker, electric kettle, and yan, glass, plates, ayan, very organized naman. Ito yung stove niya, electric stove, ayan. So, very, naman, tag dito, very, ayan, ang paa ko nakita. Ayan. Organized naman siya, organized, ayan. So, very organized naman. So, maganda yung pagkagawa. Ayan. Ayan. And then, meron ditong labahan. Ayun, meron siyang washing machine. Automatic, may labahan. May washing machine sa labas. Ayan. Meron siyang washing machine na automatic, same. Ayan. So, may screen din sa labas. Ayan po. So beautiful naman ng house. And napaka what do you call that? Ito yung mirror. Mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who's that girl in the mirror? La 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 la. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang bathroom. Ayan, may malinis. May toilet. Ito yung kanyang, may blower. Ayan. May mga shampoo. Ayan. So, clean naman ang kanyang toilet. So, good. Very good. Ayan. Ganda na tayo sa toilet. Sara na natin. O, diba? Napaka-clean. So, let's proceed na sa second floor. So, ayan. To, may tiles. May tiles din dito, papuntang second floor. Tadaan! Ang ganda, diba guys? Ang ganda. So, ito yung hagdan. Ito yung view. Pag nandito ka sa may taas. Ayan. Ayan ang view. Ayan, pataas. So, napakaaliwalas. Hindi ka matatakot dito tumira kahit mag-isa. Wala kang mararamangan ng kahit ano. Napaka-aliwalas ng bahay. Ayan, guys. So, here is the room for master bedroom. Ito yung is another room for her daughter. And here is the toilet. Ayan, toilet. So, itutur ko kayo mamaya. So, we open na. And, tadaan! Ang ganda ng room. Diba? Very clean. Ayun ang bag ko, guys. Ayan. Yung bag ko, ayun. Here is my bag. Ready to go home. Ayan. Dito ako nakahiga. Diyan kami natulog with my friend. We sleep here. Ayan, dyan. Sa bed. In master's bedroom. So, ito yung cabinet ng mga clothes. Cabinet for her clothes. And here is the ceiling fan. Woo! Shala, pag humiga ka dito, itong makikita nyo guys. Yan. Ayan ang makikita nyo pag nakahiga kayo. And then, here is the sliding door at the top. So, meron siyang screen if you want. Ayaw nyo ng malamok. Ayan. You can close the screen. Even if the sliding door is open, you can close the screen so that the mosquito or flies will not enter inside. So, here we are in the terrace at the top. So, meron ditong, what do you call that? Hangeran ng clothes. For clothes, hangeran. Ayan. I don't know what they call that in English. Ayan, there is CCTV here. CCTV. So, ayan. Tadam! Tadam! Click! Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung aircon. May chair din dito. Ayan, may chair. Ayan. Ayan. View sa labas. Ayan. May mga store dito. Very convenient and accessible po. I think it's 5 minutes from here. up to the supermarket. It's very near. Ayan. So we go inside again. And then so ayan guys, dito na tayo sa second room. Ayan, nag-aayos siya ng damit. Ayun ang kanyang maleta. So ito, may double deck na room here. May mga cabinet. Ayan. Ayan, may mga maleta. Dalawang maleta. And here is yung cabinet ng mga clothes. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng color. In the other room is pink. Here is violet. Ayan. Ito yung curtain. Ang ganda ng curtain. Ito yung window. So, ano dyan? Ayan. May screen din. Ayan, may sampayan ng damit. At, ayun yung labahan sa baba. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Ito. Tyan. Dito na tayo sa CR. CR sa taas. Wait lang, patayin natin itong electric fan. So hot. Ayan, dito na tayo. Floor. Ayan. Napakalinis. My mirror ulit. Ayan, my mirror ulit. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Ayan. So clean. Oh, look, until dito sa flooring. So clean talaga. Ayan. Ayan, may exhaust fan. Ayan. Ang pagkaganda ng banyo. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching in my video and to my shorts video, and to all the subscribers, thank you very much. Please always leave a like and comment and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking in-upload na video. And again, thank you so much to my friend for inviting me to have a vacation here and stay here for how many days and go in some different places with her. Ayan, I'm so happy to meet her again, and hopefully next time in other country na. Hopefully, ayan. So every time na she go here in Philippines, she always invite me to meet her and visit her here in her house. And I'm so happy I have also time to meet her. And like before, I'm so busy, and now I have time na. And my boyfriend is so good. He want me to spend time also to my friend and go outside my house like that. And then yun lang mga kaibigan. To all my friends, thank you so much for always supporting my video. And see you again in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. More power to you. And God bless you all. And to my friend, thank you very much for loving Ate Roxy and spending time here in Philippines with Ate Roxy. Thank you so much and mabuhay! Bye everyone! See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching.